Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode we will be learning how to invite friends in Brawl Stars. Whether you are teaming up for a friendly match or joining a club, inviting friends has become more streamlined, so here is how you can connect with friends in the game. First of all, make sure that your Brawl Star game is connected with your Supercell ID. After you ensure that, this will allow you to add friends, use QR codes for quick connections, join clubs and participate in friendly matches. Once you've made sure of that, go ahead and click on the Friends button on the right-hand corner. From the Friends tab, you will see a Share Invite button right above Add Friends. Tap on it and then you can go ahead and choose your friends from the pop-up, or if you want to copy the invite link, simply tap copy and you can then use any applications to send the invite to your friends. For example, you can use your SMS app, any other messaging application in order to send them the friend request. Simply select your friend and you will see an automated generated link typed in this text box. Finally, click Send to send in the invite request to the friend. You can also invite friends by sending them a friend request. From the same Friends tab, click on Add Friends on the bottom left, and then you can use the Scan QR option or Add with Player ID option. If you choose Scan QR, then you will need to scan the QR code of your friend with the QR scanner over here. If you want to add via Player ID, click on Add with Player ID and write down the name of the person you are trying to add. Type in their Player ID in the text box and click on Add Friend. If the person is available, you'll be able to see them like this. Click on Confirm and you'll be able to send the friend request to the person. Soon after they accept your request, both of you can join in the game. So that's how you invite friends in Brawl Stars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.